While we now know weeds will evolve resistance to each new herbicide, new herbicides are not coming thick and fast.
Well, I've been in weed science for almost 40 years. And initially, herbicides, discovery of new herbicides was the name of the game. And so it was really random screening, trying to get as much diverse chemistry as you could through a greenhouse screen and then hopefully come up with a product. And when I started out, the rule of thumb was you would find one product with every 50,000 compounds. Over the years, that's changed. Now it's considered to be one every 300,000 compounds, so it's almost an order of magnitude less likely that you're going to find something.
Farmers sweating on something you pour in the spray rig to solve the resistance problem are headed for disappointment.
The 1980s and the early 90s was the golden period when new herbicides were being introduced. Do you know that there has not been a truly new, unique herbicide discovery since the early 1980s? So the discovery of new chemicals is a very rare thing. So those that we have now are a precious resource.
The idea that there's going to be a new tool for the Australian grower to grab or the Australian industry to grab, these guys have been very clear saying there is no new chemistry coming out this side of 10 years, so don't burn up the stuff you've got.
I think there's a realisation amongst most growers that there's an issue, and a growing realisation, but now we're getting a growing realisation around the world, everywhere, that, we just can't keep relying on the new drum that turns up.
So nothing? No new silver bullet? Not even a shred of hope of some new product?
There is definitely activity in what's called RNAi. That is a genetic technology. There are patents in the area. The big international corporations, especially Monsanto, are very active in that area. Whether it'll come to fruition is another question. Let's hope it does. And let's say tomorrow we have an RNAi technology that's as good as glyphosate. It will be no more sustainable in the face of evolution than glyphosate. What will be the secret to the use of RNAi technology? When on a good thing, don't stick to it.